Is IVF painful? Does IVF always lead to twins or triplets? Can I go to office while I'm undergoing IVF? Hi friends, I'm Dr. Surbhi Gupta, Senior IVF and Fertility Consultant. These are the questions which patients often ask me in OPD while they're undergoing IVF. So today, we will be busting few myths about IVF. So the very first thing is, क्या IVF पेनफुल होता है? IVF बिल्कुल भी पेनफुल नहीं होता है. The only thing which might cause you a little pain are the injections which you have to take daily. जब ओवेरियन स्टिमुलेशन चल रहा होता है और हम एग रिट्रीवल के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे होते हैं, then injections are administered daily for 8 to 10 days. If that you call pain, yes, then it can be a little painful. Otherwise, एग रिट्रीवल का प्रोसीजर जो होता है वो अंडर एनेस्थीसिया होता है और एम्ब्रियो ट्रांसफर एक पतले से कैथेटर के थ्रू हम एम्ब्रियोज अंडर अल्ट्रासाउंड गाइडेंस यूट्रस में इंसर्ट करते हैं. द प्रोसीजर इज सेम जस्ट लाइक IUI. क्या मैं अपना नॉर्मल रूटीन कैरी कर सकती हूँ? क्या मैं ऑफिस जा सकती हूँ? एब्सोल्युटली यस. मैं अपने पेशेंट्स को कभी भी एडवाइस नहीं करती कि वो छुट्टी लेके घर बैठें या बेड रेस्ट करें. अगर हम अपना नॉर्मल रूटीन काम करते रहते हैं, ऑफिस जाते रहते हैं, तो दैट ऑल्सो कीप्स अस मेंटली डाइवर्टेड फ्रॉम द प्रोसेस ऑफ IVF. The only leaves which are required are on the day of egg retrieval and on the day of embryo transfer. Now, do I need rest after embryo transfer? Of course not. You don't need complete bed rest after embryo transfer. आप अपना नॉर्मल रूटीन कैरी कर सकते हैं, आप ऑफिस जा सकते हैं, सीढ़ियाँ थोड़ा बहुत चढ़ सकते हैं. The only thing to be avoided is heavy weightlifting or too much of vigorous exercises. क्या IVF हमेशा ट्विंस या ट्रिपलेट्स ही प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. As the science is advancing, as the IVF is progressing, now we have moved on to single day 5 blastocyst transfer, which leads to healthy single pregnancy. If we transfer multiple embryos, then yes, it can lead to twins. But now we are moving towards elective single embryo transfer. Does IVF guarantee pregnancy in one cycle? See, there is nothing as thing called guarantee. वैसे ही IVF का भी कोई 100% guarantee नहीं है. The success rates of IVF are usually around 50 to 60%. But the success depends on the age, the egg quality, the sperm quality, and other associated medical factors. You should always consult your doctor in cases of IVF failures, or you should try to understand the prognosis before you go for IVF with your fertility doctor. Are IVF babies unhealthy? No, IVF babies are not unhealthy. They are as normal as the babies which are born out of natural conception. Is IVF only for female infertility? No. Female and male factors contribute equally to fertility. When we are dealing with infertility, we have to treat as a couple. So we have to look at the factors, they can be male or female, while we are doing IVF.